Hi, in this video you will learn how to install and order Uber Car or Auto from your smartphone and also how to get free Uber rides. First open Play Store. Search Uber. Now click Uber app. Click Install button. After installation, click Open. Allow location access because without location access application cannot install. Now select your country code and enter your number. Then click Next arrow button. Now you will receive a verification code on your mobile. Enter it here. Then click Next arrow button. Enter your email address. Then click Next arrow button. Enter a new password you want. Then click Next arrow button. Enter your name. Then click Next arrow button. Now the registration process has completed. For free rides, click the menu and select Payment. Click Add promo/gift code. Enter W7Z7SXU9UE and click Add. Your promo code has accepted. Now click Promotion. Here you find that you got ₹100 off on first 3 rides. To book Uber, click Now Where to and enter the location you want to book Uber for. Now you can see estimated fare of the trip below the variants. Now you can select Go, Auto or VIP from the list, but be careful before you click Request button. Check fare first and double check that correct variant is selected, that is Go, Auto or VIP. If you want to book Go, which is quite economical, check that Go is visible after Request on button, then click the button. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe our YouTube channel.